In this video, we are going to discuss about octane number. What is that? Octane number. What is this octane number? What is octane number? This is the what? This is the percentage of isooctane by volume, in terms of volume, by volume present in what is that? Mixture of isooctane and N-heptane. In this mixture, what is the percentage of isooctane? We have to measure in terms of volume. That is called as octane number. Why this octane? What is the significance of this octane number? This octane number is talking about, what is that? This talking about, what is that? Quality of petrol. Quality of petrol. Whenever, in simple line you can say, means octane number is more means directly proportional to what? Quality of petrol. Quality of petrol, and inversely proportional to knocking. Okay. What is this knocking? What is this knocking? This knocking is nothing but what? This is a metallic sound. What is that? This is a metallic sound produced by engine, vehicle engine when petrol is consuming. When petrol is consuming, it's a sound coming. When metallic sound, and type of metallic sound will come if that petrol having a less octane number. More octane number is there, that is a good one. Less octane number means sound will come, more and more sound. That is the due to that quality less petrol, the engine is going to damage fastly. So that octane number directly proportional to the quality of petrol, inversely proportional to the knocking. So, for example, what is that? What is that iso? For octane number of isooctane will be 100. Other octane number of that heptane will be 0. By any sample, for a sample, I will take one sample. Any sample. For a sample, what is the gasoline? Gasoline sample is there. In this, 60% of what is there? Isooctane is there, plus 40% of N-heptane is there. For example, for this one octane number will be 60. For this octane number will be 60. In a similar way, I can say one more compound. This compound you see, pentane. What pentane? This pentane. What is the name of this? 2, 2, 3. What is that? Trimethyl pentane. For this one, octane number is 125. For this one, octane number is 25. What we are going to study is the octane number. The more is the octane number, less is the knocking. I can say, if it is a straight line, with a straight chain, at that time knocking will be more. So based on structure will decide. Structure will decide the knocking. Otherwise, structure will decide the octane number. We are going to study in terms of knocking. Knocking and all we are going to study means, knocking means it is for a straight chains. Straight chains having more knocking than branched one. Then olefins, that means unsaturated. Then cycloalkanes. Then aromatic compounds. This is what the knocking. So when a straight chain is there, means it is having a more knocking. That means if this type of species, this type of compounds are existing in the petrol, means the petrol quality is very, very less. So that octane number is going to be, that octane is going to reverse. knocking is in this order means octave number will be reverse order. That is what. So that to reduce the octave number, to reduce the knocking, what you are going to say? Now we are going to add this species like tetramethyl lead. Lead is there, tetramethyl. 4 sides, 4 methyls. Tetramethyl lead previously using. This is they are going to add to reduce the knocking on the engine. But what happened is this is giving a radicals, some lead radicals to the environment, so that this is a environmental polluting the environment. This is called environment pollution. So that instead of this, what other one they are using is this one. What is that? Methyl tetrabutyl. Methyl tetrabutyl ether. Methyl tetrabutyl ether. This one they are going to use. Previously they are using this tetramethyl lead. Now they are using this one, methyl tetrabutyl ether. They are going to use to reduce the knocking in the petroleum. This is what the octave number